My name is Matt Ghezzi. When I first discovered that there was something different around my health, I noticed a shortness of breath and the symptoms of edema, which is swelling of the legs. Other forms of low energy led me to a cardiologist. Test and blood work determined that I had aortic valve regurgitation, and then I was referred to Dr. Alexander Justicz at Broward Health Medical Center to do a heart valve replacement. It's pretty daunting. Even though a heart valve replacement's pretty common, it's still open heart surgery, which is very serious. When I spoke to Dr. Justicz, he explained to me the details of what this was and what's going to happen and how long recovery would take and how long the stay in the hospital would be. He gave me his private number and said, call me when you make a decision. And then I knew that's the type of surgeon that I want. Oh my God.
Look good.
Thank you. About 2 months later, I'm feeling a lot different. More energy, more active in my life, less of the fatigue, no heart failure symptoms. And that reminded me that I chose wisely. I have energy to make changes in my life, to continue exercising, to enhance my relationships in my life with my family, and it's pretty magical, and I'm grateful for that. I'm very happy to continue doing what I do, and that was a gift from Broward Health, that I can continue being me and living my life and doing what I love.